Yo, 13 Love. It is a gorgeous day to do some kayak fishing. I'm all ready to go, and I'm gonna go hit this little local river of mine. Gonna go check how the cows are doing, see are the cows eating, the cows sitting down, or are the cows in the pastures where I can't pass where I want to go. I'm going for some smallmouth today. I got a spinnerbait tied on. I have a small divine swim bait tied on because that has just been the money for me. I got some Ned rig stuff, some jigs. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get into them today. The wind is blowing, the sun is shining, and I'll see you out on that little river. Alright, about ready to go. Look at that little portal gateway to heaven. Oh, this looks incredible. Water temperature, incredible. I could wade this. It'd be a little cold if it got to the balls, but bait fish all over. Dude, I took my freaking minnow off to put on a Ned rig. That might have been a mistake. Oh, this is good looking. And I'm on. Used to be crazy fishing. Used to be deep, swift water right here, and then would go into this bank, and that bank used to be deeper. Alright, pike. Oh wow, first fish of the day is a pike. Trying to let my anchor drop. Hold on, buddy. I've got anchor issues going on here that I'm unsure about what's happening. Okay. I'm anchored up. I have a pike for the first fish today. Boy, if I get into some pike in this stretch, that'd be sweet. I've caught a handful of them out of here. Oh. Calm down, I had you out. Put yourself all funny. Cool. First fish of the day. Northern Pike. That's sweet. There's a Smallie. Yup. Okay. Ned rig is it. That's a good one. Not massive, but oh goodness. Try not to blow into this hole before I get into it. Alright, I'm gonna put the anchor down for a moment. I think this fish has fought me enough. Gosh, it's a beauty. Oh, it's calming down. It changed its colors. I don't know if it's calming down, but apparently the more relaxed state is spots. Brown is super stretched, like sandy brown. Dude, he turned around and got this. But those spots, that's when they start to relax a little more. Dang, top of his tail's been chewed up. Look at that. First of many to come today. I don't hardly ever see a small carp. I don't know if anybody else can attest to that. You just don't really see them. There's a beauty. Sweet. Spinner's on. It's a good one. Boy, he choked it. Get that fish. He's a beat up looking fish. Oh, parasites, he is tough, rough fish. I got one finally. All right, anchor down. Anchor down. Oh, got me a beautiful smallie. Boy, if I catch these all day. Red eye, fat. I mean fatty. Just thick fish. I don't think that's the only one in there. Pike. That was cool. That's interesting. I've never caught 2 pike in this stretch in one day. That's okay. I just wanted my bait back. Pike in the current. Okay. I'll take it. Sure, I could have boat flipped it if I really wanted. I wanted to use the net for him though. The beauty of a smallie. I guess I'll save the net for if I really need it. I can handle you guys. Ouch. Hooked myself. A fatty. Not spawning yet, but see ya. Oh. I mean, that fish hit that like in smallmouth current. I guess he was slightly behind in that current break, but another smallie. Another 2-pound smallmouth. Actually, that one's the biggest one so far today. Come here. Yeah, I don't know if he's the biggest. He's fatty. Got him in the net for some security, though. Solid chunker. Look at the build. How healthy that is. Yeah. Shoot. Just look at this bank though. This bank is like legendary looking. It's just so hard to fish. the way it's set up. Oh my goodness, that's a good smallie. Look at him, he's got one with him, right under the net. Okay, I'm gonna lower the anchor here. That's just dragging, it ain't even catching anything. Okay, I'm hoping this anchor catches. I might throw back into that. This anchor catches, because this is not what I wanted. Alright, well, I'm going through it now. Big old smallie in my yak. Reel in the creek. Anchor not catching nothing. Look at that one. Look at that big old smallie. Get you back in the water. The heck, man, I'm not gonna lie, this anchor wizard is like, it's not sliding off. I also need a better anchor. That doesn't help me that the anchor just didn't catch anything there. I tried not to hook you, little dude. That one feels good. That's actually pulled my rod down. What do I got? Good smallie. A good one. Well, they got more weird parts and parasites. That could have been something healing. He's got a little stuff on his fin. Well, he hit it weird. He got hooked, interestingly. Guess him jumping got it tore loose. Not as big as I thought, but it's a good fish. He got hooked in the fin. I feel like I hooked the fish in the fin this year. I don't know. It's a good average size, good fish here. There's a lot of them like that. Man, he felt bigger than that though. Rock bass. Rock bass. Dude, I had a feeling you were a little rock bass. I think I caught rock bass here before, a little rock bass bank. Little fatty. I love these little things. I used to think they were the freaking most angry, nasty, dumb little fish, and then I realized they're mostly around like clean water, and they're a sign of a good habitat, a good ecosystem. Maybe it's just, this is just a really peaceful run. Not the best fishing, but smells good, smells fresh. Ooh, good smallie. Really good smallie. Okay, well, I went into the next spot, but that's all right. 6. I just caught a tank of a short one. That's a big one. Put this back. Let me angle out of this tree. I'll give you the look of that fish. Good smelling tree though. That's the biggest one so far today. That's an 18-inch fish. Big old mouth. Look at the mouth on that thing. Big shoulders. Let it go. I'll let you go. Take this cast and probably just go. Oh my, dude. There were 2 big old smallies on a bed right there. One of those looked like it was like 3 pounds. No way. This spot's fished. The next spot isn't really fished. This one has been fished. I don't really need to sit here and do this, but sometimes some good fish are in it. That could. It's a good one. Not giant. He's a good one. Mark on the side of him. Come here. Goodness. Yeah, no, you just fight. I'm about to net you. Yeah, he's been hit pretty hard on the side. Oh. Oh, I remember you. I caught you. I broke off my hook in your nose. He still got it. Check that out. Can I get that out? Let me get that out of you. I caught this fish. I caught this fish on a crankbait. A cheap cotton cordell. And that little tiny hook broke off in him. What are the chances of that? That is wild. Okay, well, that's gonna go in the dry box because I don't know what to do with that little tiny hook. Little creek boss. It's clear water I just cast it into, like crystal, like drinking water in there. That's a decent bass. Not very big. Nope. Smaller than I thought. There's a heron. Messenger bird saying, "Can get around soon." Alright, I won't be here long. Just gotta fish it, see if anything big is in here. It's an A+ spot. Maybe I won't catch any more fish. Maybe I'll just move on. Who knows? Well, one picked it up. Not sure how big it is. I can't really tell, in all honesty. Feels good, just doesn't feel like it's digging. Oh man. Yeah, I can't really tell from here. It's like swimming upstream. It's looking good. Definitely has the current on his side. It's a good sized bass. Can I pull you around over here? Nope. Oh, that's an actual tank. Oh, that's a big one. That's like an 18, 19. That's at least 19 inches. That's a long fish. That's a big one. Look at that beauty. I'll turn around for just a second so the sun hits it right. Look at that Smallie with a mouth. That's probably a 19-inch fish. That's long. Probably about 3 pounds. They're long and strong in here. All right, I'm gonna let you go. You're a good one. Wow. Alright, I'm thinking I'm about to put the spinnerbait down and fish this Ned rig, because that was a good one. I guess. Let me toss this Ned back in here. Oh, I got one. That didn't take long to pick up. It's a beauty. Nowhere near as big as the last one, but I'll take it. Oh, wow. Were they spooked or were they aggressive? Oh, he frickin' went and nailed that. Oh, there's a bigger one. It's like twice the size of this one down there. A much bigger one down there. Is that my rod? I don't know, that's looking awfully sticky. Looking like that could be my rod. Nah. Ain't a fishing rod. Is it? That's just a stick. Yeah, ain't a fishing rod. Now I can be figuring out if there's fish to catch here. Like that. How big are you? Got some fight in you, but I ain't seen you yet. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Bump. I've never caught like the giant that I figure would be living off of this. A little one. Oh, yeah, little one. Non-scoreable. Thank you for playing. Little guy couldn't help himself. Just tossed it behind a tree. Yep, eagle up there in the nest. Ain't that cool? I wonder if they get to know me. They've seen me plenty of times. This is one of my favorite little spots. I'm gonna fish the spinnerbait here, the net here. Oh, rock bass. All right, all right. So, ow. I just hooked myself and dropped the fish. All right, buddy. I know you're a mean old rock bass. Gonna show you off, but didn't get spiked. Kind of spiked myself. It's another. That bed has a Smallie on it. Yep. I'd say all them beds, dude, they've been done. There's a couple. Let's see if I can do a little bed fishing for a moment. That was kind of cool. He went and picked it up and spat it out. I might just let him go. We'll see how much I can mess with him. He's a good one. Sweet. Y'all got to see that? There's bed fishing right there. Solid 2-pound Smallie. I'll just let that be and let that ride like that. I tried pulling him, but I didn't try like, alright, cool, he's already back on his bed. I didn't lay the hook into that fish. I definitely could have, but I was really, really light. I was not sure how big he was looking down at him in the water. Good solid fish. Don't think that was a good, I think, looking Smallie right there. I don't see any other beds from where I'm standing. Sweet. Not seeing any other beds on this bank. For rock bass? Oh, bro. Oh, it's a tank. A tank of a rock bass. How do I get this out of your gullet? A tanky rock bass. I love it. Oh, life is good, 13. Life is great, 13. Thank you for everything on my plate. Well, I think I'm reaching the end of this little voyage. It's been a great day. I learned that the Smallies have pretty much already spawned. I missed them all on beds. I saw so many empty beds and a couple fish on beds. Very few. I doubt they're just getting into it. I think they're getting done. But I caught 2 over 18. One I think was 19. That was a beautiful long fish. And caught plenty. Caught some rock bass as well. Caught some pike at the start. I forgot all about that. So it's been a great day. And if you enjoyed this, you know what to do next. And also, 13 love to you. Thank you for watching.